Welcome back to our channel edAmplify, where it is all about growth and learning, and elevating your professional skills to the next level. Today, we have got something special lined up, a topic that is going to elevate your skills and leave you with insights you can apply right away. But before we dive in, if you are new here, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Join our community of curious minds, because we are all about making every day a learning experience. Now, on to today's session. We are delving into the essential key skills for effective strategic leadership, unveiling the blueprint to success. Whether you are a seasoned pro looking to sharpen your skills or a newbie eager to soak in some knowledge, you are in the right place. Stick around till the end because I have got some game-changing tips and tricks to share. And hey, if you find value in what you see, do not forget to give that thumbs up, it really keeps us motivated. So, grab a seat and let us dive into today's adventure together. Welcome to the introduction to unveiling of the essential key skills for strategic leadership. This blueprint will guide you towards success in leading your organization to new heights. Visionary leadership. Developing a clear vision and inspiring others to follow requires a combination of innovation, foresight, and empathy. Visionary leaders set the course for the future. Effective communication, mastering the art of active listening and clear articulation is crucial for conveying your vision and aligning your team. Effective communication fosters trust and collaboration. Strategic decision-making. Strategic leaders must possess the ability to make decisive choices based on data-driven insights and a deep understanding of the organization's long-term goals. Adaptability and resilience. Navigating through uncertainty and change demands flexibility, resilience, and the ability to lead through adversity. Adaptable leaders thrive in dynamic environments. Empowering others. Empowering your team through trust, delegation, and mentoring fosters a culture of innovation and ownership. Effective leaders elevate others to achieve greatness. Strategic thinking. Cultivating a strategic mindset involves the ability to anticipate trends, identify opportunities, and develop a roadmap for long-term success. Inspirational leadership. Inspiring and motivating others through authentic leadership, emotional intelligence, and a compelling narrative creates a shared sense of purpose and commitment. Organizational alignment. Aligning the organization's goals, culture, and resources towards a unified vision is essential for driving cohesive and impactful strategies. Ethical decision-making. Upholding integrity and ethical principles in decision-making establishes trust and credibility, fostering a culture of accountability and responsibility. Continuous learning. Embracing a growth mindset and fostering a culture of lifelong learning enables leaders to adapt to evolving challenges and seize new opportunities. Congratulations! You now possess the blueprint for effective strategic leadership. Apply these essential skills to lead with confidence and drive your organization towards sustainable success. Thanks for watching. Enjoyed our video lesson? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends and stay tuned to edAmplify for more exciting updates. Visit www.edamplify.com/membership and unlock the key to business skills for success.